Ramey Channell. I'm going to read you two of my poems. The first poem is titled Golden Trees. All through that passionate summer, with our intemperate sun burning and beckoning, your face remained the face of a child, still dreaming dreams of childhood as you played beneath summer trees. Then, like changing leaves and seasons, so quickly you became what you had not been, climbing skyward into the mass of gold and red. You left behind familiar earth and dreams, seeking higher, newer things. I watched the sudden change as you, bewitched by one cool breeze, balanced in a world I had forgotten many autumns before. Now, with your new cool and careless face before me, I am haunted by memories of golden trees. And the second poem is titled Birds. Startled in their flight, birds bedecked like jewels swing down, a sheet of life, bone hollow, clear-eyed, and without guile, to rendezvous with home's terrestrial sea, and finding footing, though less magical than winging, a chance worth taking for bounty, seeds, and insect harvest, all the while attuned to inner celebrations. And there they lift as one, the body wholly, lyrical, of many parts fitted seamless, mechanized, free-formed of beauty, as of a rushing wind, once more a sky and free, inebriates of air, unbound by gravity. Thank you.